Hello, everyone. Welcome to the AIoT training camp. In this course, we will describe how to select the distribution warehouse locations for vending machines. We will introduce some general clustering algorithms and their principles. We will demonstrate how to implement the spatial location selection solution based on the clustering algorithms on the HOV Cloud platform. This course consists of 3 parts. First, I will introduce how data brings business innovation and transformation in the big data era and how to use data thinking and methods to analyze and resolve problems. After that, I will explain the algorithms involved in the distribution warehouse location selection. That is, the clustering algorithms. In this part, we will learn the general clustering methods and principles. Although the clustering methods aim to achieve the same goal, the data quality and distribution are different. For example, the k-means algorithm is more suitable for solving the problem of convex clustering on datasets, but cannot aggregate into other shapes. Therefore, an appropriate clustering method needs to be selected according to a specific scenario. At last, I will explain the code for implementing the case. On the cover of The Economist magazine on May 6, 2017, data is compared to the most valuable new energy in this era. Data to us in the 21st century is just like oil to us in the 20th century. Data has become the driving force for the change and development of various industries. In the past, we entered the store with demands. Now, data helps us explore unperceivable demands. In the public utility field, data and big data technologies improve the operation efficiency of the entire society. We can use the mobile app to view congested roads and plan routes in advance, in special time points and places with heavy traffic. The public security system can allocate and schedule personnel in advance based on the data analysis result. In the industrial field, data can help enterprises reduce costs and improve economic benefits. The distribution warehouse location problem we are talking about today is a good example. When selecting a distribution warehouse location, we may want to select a central location at first thought. This is because the total distance from the center to each destination is the shortest. In this way, the transportation cost is the lowest. In real-world application, in addition to the transportation cost, there are many other factors that need to be considered, such as the transportation condition, traffic status, road condition, and transportation duration. Of course, there are some natural factors to be considered, such as climate, geography, and hydrology. Therefore, no data analysis can be performed without considering the actual situation. Data analysis must be performed based on full understanding of business. When we use data to resolve problems, first, we need to collect data based on business requirements. Second, we need to abstract business problems and select a proper model. If we want to predict the sales volume of the next year, we need to select a regression model for prediction. In this course, we aim to select a relative central point so that the location of the distribution warehouse can bring high economic benefits. However, the model selected for the first time usually is not the final model. We need to continuously optimize the model, which is called the model evaluation process. Only when the result of continuous iteration and optimization is relatively stable can we consider it as the final result. The conventional heuristic algorithms for site selection are to provide the optimal solution for each instance at an acceptable cost. For example, if we want to go to Han, Changsha, and Chongqing and the total transportation fee is CNY 2000, we need to calculate the cost of each possible route to find the optimal solution. Common heuristic algorithms include simulated annealing, ant colony algorithm, and neural network. Another solution is analytical hierarchy process AHP based on expert consulting. However, this method relies heavily on the experience and knowledge of experts. Another efficient method is the median method. This method is simple and rough, but the factors to be considered are simple. The last method is the clustering method introduced in this course. The clustering method is similar to the median method. The transportation cost and efficiency are also considered as the main factors. However, in this case, by using clustering algorithms, both the warehouse location and the best number of distribution warehouses can be determined according to the clustering result. In the next class, we will focus on clustering algorithms.